Today's medical-centric topic is cornstarch bad for you? Nutrition facts and health effects. Cornstarch is a common kitchen ingredient used to thicken soups, sauces, and desserts. But beyond its culinary uses, many people wonder, is it actually healthy or something you should limit? Let's break it down. 1. What is cornstarch? Cornstarch is a fine white powder made from the starchy part of corn kernels, called the endosperm. It's virtually flavorless and works as a thickener because it forms a gel-like texture when heated with liquid. 2. Nutrition facts per 1 tablespoon, 8 grams. Calories, around 30. Carbs, around 7 grams. Protein, 0 grams. Fat, 0 grams. Fiber, 0 grams. Vitamins and minerals, negligible. Cornstarch is almost pure carbohydrate with very little nutritional value. No significant vitamins, minerals, or protein. 3. Health effects. Potential benefits. Gluten-free. Naturally gluten-free, making it a safe thickening option for people with celiac disease or gluten insensitivity. Easily digestible. Can be gentle on the stomach for those with digestive issues. Useful for cooking. Helps create smooth textures in sauces, gravies, and desserts without altering taste. Drawbacks. High glycemic index. Cornstarch is digested quickly, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Not ideal for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Low in nutrients. Lacks fiber, protein, and essential vitamins, so it doesn't contribute much to overall nutrition. Easy to overconsume. Hidden in processed foods like soups, sauces, puddings, fried coatings, and snacks, increasing calorie intake without adding nutrients. 4. Is it bad for you? Cornstarch isn't toxic or inherently dangerous when eaten in moderation. However, it's considered a refined carbohydrate, meaning most of its natural nutrients are stripped away during processing. For healthy individuals, small amounts in cooking are fine, but relying on it heavily, especially in processed foods, can contribute to weight gain, poor blood sugar control, lower diet quality. 5. Healthier alternatives. If you want to reduce refined carbs, try these instead. Arrowroot powder, gluten-free and easier on blood sugar. Tapioca starch, slightly higher in nutrients. Whole grain flours, like oat or whole wheat for baking. Bottom line, cornstarch isn't bad in small amounts, but it's not nutrient-rich and can spike blood sugar. Use it sparingly and focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods for better health.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.